for 4, Danger Mouse, Close Encounters of the Absurd. And Never for Charles Willie Season 1. Just like the bomb of Close Encounters of the Absurd Kind. This is the 2004 reprint. Includes 2 bonus episodes, Play It Again with Gang and the Clock Strikes Back. Only contains the final episode of The Martian Misfit. It's got a use certificate on the top there. It's got a hidden extra to find and use all the big types. Only contains 2 episodes, Wild Wild Goose Chase and Dead Suds. No contains No Sex Plays for Egyptians on Close Encounters of the Kind DVD.